What is up everyone? My name is Darryl Arante, and for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly take care of your clothes. More like how to prolong the quality of your clothes. Thanks to one of my buddies suggesting this topic, and I feel like I want to share what I know when it comes to this. I take a pride in how I take care of my clothes properly because I don't like seeing my items just go to waste, okay? I hate it. I hate when the clothes that I like get ruined after 1 or 2 times I wear or wash them. Anyways, you're not here to hear my rant, so let's get started. All right, first and foremost, you need to invest in buying great quality clothes. You can't maintain the quality of your clothes if your clothes quality is crap to begin with, okay? It's simple, yet we know we are all victims of fast fashion. They're everywhere and it's cheaper, but we all know most of the time cheaper stuff leads to bad quality. So try to avoid buying cheap quality clothes as much as you can if you want to prolong the life of your clothes. Look for quality made clothing brands, or better yet, look for some sustainable brands where they could recycle your old clothes and turn it into some cash, or some brands can actually give you a new pair of your favorite piece. Think about it this way. Would you spend dollars on cheap clothes that would get washed out after 4 to 5 times you wear them? Or would you rather invest in greater quality clothes, yet a little more expensive, that can last you about 30 times each wear? Number 2, wash your clothes properly. For those of you who are new to my channel, I made a video about how to properly do your laundry, and you may click on that if you haven't watched. I basically discussed the basic topics or rules to properly wash your clothes. Anyways, this is the first step to maintain your clothes properly. I'm going to basically summarize what I had from my laundry video. First, properly sort them based on their fabric type and colors. Second, use a cold temperature when washing. Third, avoid or minimize the use of fabric softener. And lastly, hang air dry them or use low heat settings. You follow those steps and you basically cover 70% of how to properly take care of your clothes. All right, for this next one right here, this may turn into some debate, okay? Steam your clothes rather than using an iron. Whoa bro, what did you say? Calm down, Darryl 2.0. I'm just a messenger and I actually prefer this way, okay? Hear me out. We all know heat can damage your clothes, and this is why I asked you guys to put in low heat settings when using dryer or air dry your clothes. Same concept applies to this one. Ironing clothes uses too much heat if you don't properly apply the right temperature. That hot metal contacting your clothes can further damage your clothes, and worst case, it could leave a burn mark. Steaming your clothes, on the other hand, has the same effects as ironing but requires less technique, no hot metal direct contact to your clothes, and more convenient, and it can remove odor from your clothes. Number 4, store your clothes properly. Avoid storing them directly in the sunlight and where moisture can potentially accumulate. Make sure to store them in a dry, cool place. Use wooden hangers rather than plastic or metal. Wooden hangers are more expensive but is sturdier, which gives a better support to your clothes. You will eliminate the shoulder bump that you get from plastic or wire hangers. As for sweaters, I am not a fan of hanging them, okay? I am pretty sure you probably saw tons of videos on how to properly hang them, but on my end, I simply fold. And as for my last tip, simply take good care of your clothes and learn how to repair them. Learning how to replace a button or saw a hole or tear can help you save them money. Use a fabric shaver or lint remover to constantly keep your garments looking fresh. Maybe do a dye bath too for your solid tees to maintain the colors. And if you're about to do some dirty work, then maybe add an extra layer by wearing an apron or older clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. Well, that's my 5 tips for you guys on how to properly take care of your clothes. Hope this video helps you guys in some way, and if it does, please don't forget to press the thumbs up. Also, if you happen to like what you see on my channel, then feel free to press the subscribe button. That's it from me guys. Stay safe and stay amazing. Have a good day everyone. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.